How are you, Holo Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I present with the latest update of Holochain. My friends, at this time, what's going on in the Holochain? In this video, I will show you, friends. Now, this time, the people are doing very big mistake. Please, my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you do this mistake, so you are in the loss. And if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely, there's a lot of chances to you get a profit from the Holochain. Keep watching this video for more details, and please, if you listen my voice, kindly click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Now let's move on and let's see the latest update of the Holochain, and after that we discuss that what will be the next move of Holochain. My friends, at this time, the latest update of Holochain, you can see here 0.009029 USD dollar is the latest price update of the Holochain. On the other side, if we look, the price change is occurring in the Holochain, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is negative. Only the last 1 hour, last 1 day pricing is positive, except of these the pricing is going negative. So what should we do at this time? Now the people easily decided sell Holochain. And now from yesterday Holochain starts jumping. So why you decide to say the previous change occurred in the Holochain as negative? You can see that the last 1 week pricing is negative. So that's mean that if you decide to sell Holochain at this time, so you are in the loss. From yesterday, you can see last 1 day price chart, last 1 day pricing is positive 4.35%. So that's mean that the yesterday Holochain price is going upward. So now you have to hold for some time. You have to hold for 1 week, for 2 weeks, for 1 month. That's how you can get a good amount of Holochain from Holochain. You can see here that is the last 1 day price chart of Holochain. Absolutely, now at this time they are in the jumping mood, and I hope that they will continue this thing for a long time, my friends. That is my prediction. That is my opinion about Holochain. Keep watching this video till the end, and subscribe. Subscribe is very important for all of you. You can see now you can easily understand that previous time change is negative, so you are in the loss if you sell. And now from yesterday they start jumping, so if you hold, maybe there's a lot of chances in the future that they take a huge pump. They hit a $1 USD, so absolutely you will get a high amount of profit. Hold it and don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Holochain? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.